The lightweight nature of the HyperWall system really gives architects a lot of freedom on the building frame design or building structure design. It being so lightweight, there's a lot more clever things that can happen with connection design. Columns can get smaller, beams can get smaller, spans can get widened out. It just gives architects a lot more flexibility. From general contractors, it really benefits them from a speed of construction. There's less coordination, less trades, because the HyperWall system includes all of the vapor barrier and moisture protection. There's just less trades that need to come out to the site to hang that panel. So from a GC's perspective, they can install those panels faster, so their schedule improves.